Welcome to the unit family. This unit, Tattered blanket. B. My mother. C. A letter to a friend.
I am terribly upset if I don't get a letter every day. Amma, Gopi knows and he writes us every day. Gopi, see how she talks. You hardly visit us and know nothing about what's going on here. Who is that in the car, Kamla?
Amma, it's me, Gopi. I had come to Thiruvananthapuram. On my way back, I dropped in to see you, Amma.
Amma, who is your Amma? What is her name? Where does she live? See, brother, this is what the situation of Amma these days. I'm really worried how to bring her memory back. Do you know my son? He is in Delhi and he's a government officer. He has Kesari Yoga. He draws a salary of rupees 2,500 per month. Do you know him?
Yes, I know him.
Then please tell him to send one blanket. It is cold in the morning here. He brought for me a red one when he was studying in Madras. It is all tattered now. Tell him to send one red blanket now.
He nodded his head and told her that he would convey the message to Gopi.